Dongguan Everglory Photoelectric Company Limited is a national high-tech enterprise founded in 2021. Our parent company, Shenzhen Everglory, was founded in 2011. With 20,000 square meters production facilities located in Dongguan City, we are dedicated to producing top-quality G+G, G+F, G+FF projected capacitive touch panel, touch display module, and touch monitor and panel PC in-house. As a fast-growing and innovative company, we are the first professional manufacturer in China mainland, which started the research and production of large-size projected capacitive touch panel. There are over 30 relevant patents of bonding technology, equipment, and bonding glue obtained. As a professional and reliable touch display solution partner, we have rich experience in industrial, outdoor, medical, military, gaming, self-service, terminal vehicle for 12 years. Our size is covering from 5-inch to 75-inch with industrial-grade design and quality. We have rich experience with EETI, Elitech, WEDA, IC Solutions. Our R&D team is consisted of 15 people who can support fast and deep calibration service for the diverse requirements of different projects. We strictly manage in accordance with the ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 quality management system to ensure quality. Through many years of development, we were highly recognized in domestic and overseas market and looking forward to building win-win cooperation with you in very near future.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.